Hello friends, if your FCRA renewal has been denied and you're still wondering how to restore the FCRA registration, then don't worry, I'm here with a solution. As per the latest available data, around 8,000 FCRA registered organizations were denied renewal in a single financial year, 23-24, by the Ministry of Home Affairs. And that's why almost all the FCRA registered organizations are struggling to run their organizations without foreign funding. As per the FCRA Act, there can be a lot of reasons behind denial of the FCRA renewal license. So, the first and foremost practical action which needs to be taken is that every organization should immediately instruct your FCRA banker to stop all the transactions from today on immediate basis. Okay, so then from the point of view of procedural steps, you should first thoroughly examine the reasons for such denial. Once you get the clarifications uh, behind the reason of such denial of such renewal, you should start gathering or compiling the documents which were lacking or take corrective measures to resolve the concerns in the clarification. After taking such corrective measures, the most important step is to file an online revision petition under Section 32 of the FCRA Act within 1 year from the date of such order, thereby requesting the FCRA department to reconsider and revisit their order. This is the first important procedural step. Okay. Then there is one alternative option as well. A petition can be filed in the jurisdictional high court. But when the Act has given a recourse of filing the revision petition with the FCRA department itself, then I think we should first consider doing that. Else, as for my opinion, High Court will set aside your application and will order to go and comply with the procedure mentioned in the FCRA Act itself. As denial of renewal does not mean the cancellation of your registration, you should also think about applying a fresh registration under the Act. Also, after the denial of renewal, the renewal status of the organization of on FCRA portal reflects as deemed to be seized and not cancelled. In case of cancellation, there is a locking period of 3 years for applying a fresh registration. But in case of deemed to be seized, there is no such locking period, and you can apply immediately for a fresh registration. Please keep in mind that recourse for every denial of renewal application depends on case to case basis. So I hope we all must have got some sort of positivity in this matter. Thanks a lot.